In this video, I'm going to show you amazing scenery from Barefoot Manta Island, underwater footage of coral reefs, more scenic views of the landscape, the Fiji food, and also the Fiji traditions. We were now leaving Manta Ray Island and going to Barefoot Manta Island. Again, we were getting onto a small boat that took us to a bigger boat. Our destination was Barefoot Manta Island, located in the northwest part of Fiji, where hundreds of islands called the Yasawa Islands are located. There are 330 different islands in the Fiji area.
We are here. We just made it to Barefoot Manta Island. My first impression of this island is that I really like it. We just got here to the rooms and it actually looks really nice. We're on our way to get some lunch.
You would pay about 200 Fiji dollars for one day at this resort. Accommodation, breakfast, lunch and dinner is included.
We're staying here in a small little village and there are not many people living here.
After lunch, we decided to head out for a hike. The higher up you get, the drier the landscape will be. On the east side of the island, there's a beach that you can't get to other than by boat.
The view from here is actually incredible. That was the first viewpoint. There are 3 different viewpoints on the island. The landscape is kind of dry, honestly.
We kept walking up to the top of the island, but it's really dry there. After seeing some of the landscape, we went back down to the resort, where it's much greener. Now we decided to head out for some snorkeling. You can get free kayaks and free snorkel here at this island. There are a couple of different really amazing beaches in the area around the resort. The snorkeling outside Barefoot Manta Island is truly amazing. You can now buy my Fiji God ring from my website vacationwilliam.com. The beaches at Barefoot Manta Island are crystal clear and it's very relaxing to hang out by the beaches. Now we got the free kayaks and started heading out on a kayak trip to one of the beaches around the corner of the island. The evening was approaching quickly and we came back to the resort.
The reason why I like this island in particular is because it's very calm and almost everything is free. Good evening everybody, it's almost time for the sunset.
I have seen a lot of this world now and I always think about the same things when I see incredible landscapes like these. I believe that it's totally impossible for this planet to have come into existence just by random Big Bang billions of years ago. This planet is too perfect for life to exist. Some supernatural intelligence had something to do with the creation of this planet. Fiji was once a British colony, and that's why people speak English so well here, but they also have their own language.
It's been a long day. Now we're just hanging out here in the room, waiting for dinner.
For dinner, you will get a buffet, and there are a lot of different things to choose from. In the evening you can listen to the local people's Fiji song. I woke up early the next day and couldn't resist going for a morning swim. The houses you stay in are located just 20 meters from the beach.
Good morning, everybody. Just went swimming and it's 7:35 in the morning, and it's almost time to eat breakfast.
It had been a great time on Barefoot Manta Island, but it was time to head to the next island.
Alright, everybody, we are leaving Barefoot Manta Island.
Please leave me a comment and tell me what you think about this episode. Please follow me on social media and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.